So this is the wiring to the computer. They did some cutting here. I'm guessing that's a ground. The main pink wire. Like I said, it looked like they already started working it. Got all the pink wires wired there. Come up here. Everything's on a motor. Hooked up. That's the other end of that pink wire. That connector, that connector, that connector there. That's that ground wire for the battery. It's like two different sides coming down here. They cut off whatever it is that goes there. Whatever this connector is here. Coming down this other long part. I guess all the connectors for the transmission is there. Just cut some stuff out here. And they wired that up like that. They go to the transmission. I mean, this is the transmission I had. I already had the wiring on there for it.